In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product to your wish list on Temu easily and efficiently. Let's walk through this simple process step by step, ensuring you can effortlessly save your favorite items for later without any hassle. To begin, you'll want to ensure you're on the Temu website. If you're not familiar with Temu, it's an online shopping platform offering a vast array of products across multiple categories. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Temu homepage. Ensure you're logged into your account, as this will enable you to utilize the wishlist feature seamlessly. If you haven't signed in yet, simply click on the sign in button typically found at the top right corner of the page and enter your login details. Once you're signed in, start by browsing through the vast selection of products available on the site. You might already have something specific in mind, or you could just be in the mood to explore various categories. Either way, you can use the search function at the top of the page to find the product you've been considering or want to explore further. After finding a product you're interested in, it's time to add it to your wish list. Look closely at the product page of the item you want. Here, you'll notice several options, including Add to Cart and Buy Now. However, since we're focusing on the wish list, your eye should look for a button that says Save or has a heart icon indicating the wish list function. Click on this button and this action will add the product to your wish list, ensuring that you can easily access and review it later when making your final decision. Now, as soon as you click this save button, your selected product is instantly added to your wish list. This feature is incredibly handy for organizing your desired products and planning future purchases. To access your wish list at any time, look for the wish list icon, usually represented by a heart, on the navigation bar. Clicking this will take you to a dedicated page displaying all the items you've saved. That's it. You've successfully added a product to your wish list on Temu. This feature is an excellent way to manage items you're interested in purchasing, allowing you to revisit them effortlessly when you're ready to make a buying decision. Remember, maintaining a wish list not only helps streamline your shopping experience, but also ensures you never miss out on purchasing those products you've had your eye on. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to add a product to your wish list on Temu. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and that it simplifies your online shopping experience. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.